Comprehensive guide to applying for study abroad, from admission process to visa application filing. Start by researching universities and programs that align with your academic interests and career goals. Consider factors such as curriculum, location, rankings, scholarships, and campus facilities. Review the admission requirements for your chosen programs, including academic qualifications, standardized test scores, English language proficiency. Make sure you meet all the prerequisites before proceeding. Gather all the necessary documents, including academic transcripts, standardized test scores, letters of recommendation, personal statement, and a resume or CV. Ensure that all documents meet the specific requirements. Most universities have an online application system. Create an account and carefully fill out the application form, providing accurate personal and educational details. Pay attention to deadlines and submit your application. Preparing for studying abroad involves more than just the application process. We provide pre-departure support, offering guidance on travel arrangements, accommodation options, health insurance, and cultural orientation. Our study abroad consultancy services are designed to provide comprehensive support and guidance, from the admission process to visa application filing.